Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to review a spice. This is a spice that's available from Don Pablo Coffee, Gourmet Coffee Company. They make coffee infused, I think that's what you would call it, coffee infused spices. So this one here is called Coffee Spice. It's a coffee spice grinder, and it's organic espresso. USDA organic. You can use it on beef, chicken, or pork. It says organic espresso coffee and a convenient grinder for optimum freshness and flavor. Great on beef, pork, chicken, seafood, even French fries. Shake it up to get started. This thing is so tight that there's no room to shake it up. No room. So it's got an adjustable knob grinder. Let's see, grind coarse for meat. Grind coarse for meat, rub, meat rub, I guess, and comma, fine for a condiment. Okay. Ingredients, you got organic Arabica coffee. So this will be interesting. This is coffee beans. Okay, so I have a beef patty. It's ballpark beef patties. Smells really good. I just got through heating it up. Okay, so let's get this package off here. I wanted to leave it on there so that you see that I've not tried this yet. This is brand new. This is a newer product for Don Pablo, if I understand correctly. They haven't had these spices for very long. I already reviewed one of these. I think it was only one. It was good. I had a little trouble with the grinder. I'm not familiar with these very much, so so this being meat, but I think for this I would need it. I need it like a condiment, just as a like salt or pepper. So let's do it fine. So it's got a little triangle there. See there? I'll show you the front. So the where'd it go? The triangle needs to go, I think, this way. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, I think, is you're supposed to grind it like this. All right, so you take the cap off. All right, see, there's the okay. I had trouble with this last time. Darren Burke is the president of the company. Oh, I think I just heard a grindage. And last time I did this, it told me I was doing it wrong. I was doing it up. I think you're supposed to grind it upright, and then you open up the cap and sprinkle it out, I think. But I don't hear any grinding happening. What am I doing wrong? Nope. I think I hear some in there. Let's see. Oop. Yeah, there's a little bit in there. Now, that's not fine though. Oh, interesting. Has a nice aroma of coffee. Oh, that smells good. Yeah. Wow, that smells good. So, it has like a little bit of aroma of almost of dark chocolate. I don't know if that's, I don't know if it's supposed to smell like that or not. It smells good. It smells like a darker blend of coffee. But yeah, it smells good. Okay, so let me just see if I can. Okay, I got some sprinkled out there. I think it's going the wrong way. Let me see. Let me take it back this way. I know I'm going to hear from it. I'm going to hear from Darren about this. Okay, well there's some. It grinded up some more. They're larger pieces though. But a little bitter, a little bitter coffee. So this is kind of unorthodox for me. I'm more of a salty, seasoned guy. So I've never heard of putting coffee on meats. So this is pretty different, but I'm always willing to try these things just to see. Give me some more. That's probably good. That's probably good enough. I can't figure out the fine part. I'll have to ask Darren about that. All right, so let's try this. I'm holding it at an angle and it's grinding better. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, that's better. And that's finer. It's kind of set right in there. yeah. I'm gonna get it in there, the meat. I'm not really getting the coffee flavor or espresso. It's kind of getting lost with the burger meat and juices and stuff. I don't know if this would be better if you was to cook it into your meat, like on the grill. It might be better for that. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe some French fries where potatoes are not like big on flavor. You need something to maybe perk them up and give them a little extra flavor. Maybe this would be better on that for me. That might be something I might try. But for the meat, this isn't this isn't doing it for me for the burger. I don't taste it. So maybe somebody else, maybe more of a coffee fan would want to really cover it really well with this. I mean, I'm a coffee fan too, but putting it on my food that's just full just coffee beans is for me just a little unorthodox. I can't fathom it that way. So but somebody else might like this for that reason, for the meat. So there you go. Don Pablo coffee spice grinder. This is organic espresso. You can go to www.donpablocoffee.com. Go there to find it. You can buy their products at Costco, Amazon.com, Canteen Vending Services, Restaurant Beverage Service, Sam's Club, Walmart.com, First Choice Coffee Service, Green Earth Beverage Systems. Now that's for their coffee. I don't know if you can get their spices. Now they got like 12, I think, close to 12 different spices. This is just one I just happened to grab, and it just didn't do it for me. But like I said, someone else might like just the full coffee bean grinded onto their food. But yeah, those places you can find their coffees, but I don't know if you can find this there. So you might have to go to their website to get the seasonings. Look and see the big variety that they have. So there you go. All right. Yeah, it's actually rattling now. I made a little bit of room by grinding some of them up. So there you go. Well, thanks, Darren, for sending this. Sorry that I don't care for this one, but might be able to find something else to use it on. So we'll see. All right. Well, I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Sorry it's such a longer video. Just trying to figure out the grinder. Other people probably gotta know more about how to do that. But I think I figured it out. The more I do these, the more I'll know. But yeah, all right. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you, Darren. See you all in the next one.